Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 Constituent Assembly members. In this particular episode, we will speak on Frank Anthony. He was born on 25th of September 1908 in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. He did his schooling in Christ Church High School, Jabalpur, and further obtained his degree from Robertson College in Jabalpur. He studied at Nagpur University and Inner Temple in London and became a barrister. He was a prominent member of the Anglo-Indian community. He was elected to the assembly from central provinces and Berar. He spoke on various issues, like he participated in the debate on national language. He was a very vocal about minority rights and mainly the rights of Anglo-Indian community. He expressed his deep gratitude to the advisory committee for recognizing the Anglo-Indian community and providing constitutional safeguards. So on this aspect we will see what he spoke. On 27th of August 1947, quote, "So far as the interests of my community are concerned, I feel that I have to offer a special word of appreciation and thanks to those members who approached our problems in an attitude of realism, particularly to Sardar Patel. We from outside did everything we possible could to come to an agreed solution, which I am glad to say we did arrive ultimately. I feel I must express the appreciation and thanks of my community to those who realized the special needs of Anglo-Indian community." Unquote. So this is what he spoke about the Anglo-Indian community and how the treatment was given in the Constituent Assembly. He was president of All India Anglo-Indian Association. He was founder chairman of All India Anglo-Indian Educational Trust, which has 6 schools: Frank Anthony Public School, Delhi; Frank Anthony Public School, Bangalore; Frank Anthony Public School, Kolkata. There are 3 Frank Anthony Junior Colleges in the cities of Bangalore, Calcutta and Delhi. He passed in the year 1993. We are grateful for his contribution in making the Constitution of India. Thank you.